Waya bedene edu yafe wa bedene wa bava wa bota wa bowe da debo ngwaye wakuyo o wa bokian o awe sedene na ohima na yadu ki edo naze Ibota oredo odan ki o wa bokian o this is Edo Moonlit Folklore Gathering. The time for learning the Edo language. We welcome everyone. Come and join. Wakimatie ibima reu ibima igba manege no ma ebe na zedo he. Watia reu na do Edo na zeo. Wa agi o na redia even ma o na redia oge Edo. Ami oge bu. Mata mungwa we afia gogo wuri. Abe fia gogo wuri na na ya fia gogo wuri be ukpo rundo ni oyo na ege ikiri na gmela di no de ya yi wa mi on ya fia gogo wuri we ogopa ugedopa ai asia guda o I apologize for not informing you on Wednesday that the time for doing our program has changed. The clock has moved forward. So I sent out the information last night. I hope all of us got it. Let's get ready for our drill of today. I'll write out the language, and then you write out I'll write the English version, you write out the Edo version. I don't know what book I was boy be by your able one where you do one. That ye book one where you do one. I remember Yahweh we koyo obukan o Yahweh we koyo wo pa ere mama aso boyo ma he ti mu bi akebo ni wa ni ro wa bokan o wa bota wa baba udoni ma ye bogbon wa ye dogbon. Now are you ready? All right, okay, write out these words in Edo. Number 1, go. How do you say go in Edo? Write it out. Number 2, go away. How do you write it in Edo? Go away. Write it out in Edo language. How do you say it? Come. How do you say come in Edo language? All come. All come means more than one person. All come. All come. Everybody come. How do you write that in Edo? Okay. Yeah, why not to have anyone would you know what book you what get my do what do go. Number 2, go away. Number 3, come. Number 4, all come. Write all of that out in the do. Work my abokan brother. My son no. Get your dog mona. Go. Number 2, go away. Number 3, come. Number 4, all come. Plural people come. Going owo, okay o. Going eva, okay o. Going eha, okay o. Going ena. Going, okay. Going is going is going. Okay o. Going. Gone. All right. Spend too much time in it. All right, look at it. Go. Edo owe pa on go pa pa. Number 2, go away. Number 2, ga here. Go away. Ga here. You want to work pa ma. All right. Number 3, Larry. Number 3, come on Larry. Number 4, all come, all of you, all come. Wahia Larry. Wati bekani wudi Larry and Doriva. All come. Wahia Larry. All come. Come, Larry. Come. Wahia Larry. All come. Wahia Larry. Okay, let's see. How many people know Igbo? Hey. Wari abokan o no ma give abokan. Kuyo. One pema. Ba good. One pema back. Rakian go. Back. Ba Rakian go away. Rakian lare. Oh come. Wahia lare. Oh na we wahia. Okay. One pema bewo. Wahia here. Yeah. Brother one pema. Udega wahia here. He are. Wahia lare. Or what bell, why you have one pema. Yahweh TV. Larry, come, Larry, bay. Wagai. Oh, Wagai. Okay, man, do your go. Okay. And my gift. I can go. Okay. I can't do. Okay, go away. Okay, go away. I can't do. Okay. I can't do. I can't go away. I can't. Good. Larry, that's all come. Good. Well, here, Larry, all come. That's correct. That's good. Okay, I think you all did very well. Obobo. If you do know what ma do we. Ma o do ma o ma. Very good. Very good. Hey. Oh no. This is what we say every day. So we need to learn it. Teach our children. Call your children to learn this thing. So every day we say them. Look at them. What? What? How do you say what in Edo? What? What? If your child tells you that then somebody pinched me, then you say what? Number 2, why? If you throw away your child throw away something, you ask your child, say why? Why? Number 3, who? If your child says somebody took his pencil, then say who? Who took your pencil? That time I do. Who? Okay. Then you come say which? If your child gives you something, then you ask him which one? Which? By time I do which? Why which I do? When? Say he's coming. When are you coming? When? By time I do. Hey, what? Why? Who? Which? When? Ha. Going or going on your ha. 3. Going for. What? Why? Who? Which? When? Going. Okay. Going 5. Now going. Go. Do look watch out. Look up. What? Like money ever do boy? What? Boy. Walking. You see? Walking. What? Walking. What? Children want you to ask them walking. What? Okay. Number 2. Why? Number 2. What's that? Why? Why are you doing that? What's that? You see that? Number 3. Who took your food? Who took your this and that? Who? Gano. Donoki. Gano. Who? Gano. Number 4. Which? Number 4. Number 4 here. Denoki. Which one? Denoki. There. Denoki. Which one? Which? Denoki. Number 5. When? Degenoki. There. Although you didn't mean when Degenoki. When? Degenoki. These four are very good because children, your children, your loved one, you're always asking all these questions. Who, what, when, which. Now you know. All right. Hi, babe. If you had to know Igbe o, walare o, wagadege o. If you had to know Igbe, walare o. One pema, walking back. What is that? Okay. What is that? Okay. What that is the short form of why. What is that is actually why not? Why not? Okay. Why? What's that? Okay, what is that? Who? Anakin? Anon. Okay. Ganon. Ganon. Okay. Anakin. Who is that? Who is that? Anakin. But who is Ganon? The Manokin? Ganon. Okay. They knocking well, which? They knocking well, good. They knocking, okay. One point, they knocking well. Which of them? Which of them? Okay. And our question is which? They knocking, which? Okay. They knocking well will be which of them? Which of them? Good. Very good. They get knocking back. They get knocking back. Knocking in 2 words or whatever, even variable. They get knocking. Hey, bunku knocking. They get knocking. Oh, one for my wagman do. What my wagman was say. The man gift. Walking. Walking. The man gift. Egban kubo, man. Walking. Good. No, give up. What's that? What's that? Every arrow your and in the man gift. Every arrow your. What's that? Evano. No, who? Gano. 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 Every arrow your. There's no arrow in all these other words. Okay, don't add arrow. No, no. What's the Gano? Good. Then the knocking which the knocking good. You did it very well, but don't write them together. There are 2 different words. Which they knocking Gano. Very good. Don't put arrow in all those 2. This is pure Edo, not English language. Good. Now mind there. Walking. Okay. Walking. No. Wait. What? It's walking. Walking. That's good. Walking. Why? What's that? Bear. Which? They knocking. They knocking out. They knocking. They knocking. Where? They knocking. Which? What time? When? They get knocking. Walawageo. Kaboge. Walking. What's that? Gano. They knocking. They get knocking. Yeah, why you have what the bua? Oh! And if you do one man, one fee, one talk, new bonua. If you do not what oh, I get well, Google have it. And I do, or no, even my water, the brain, very simple. Very simple. Okay. Today. Today. What is today? Today, number 2. Tomorrow. What? Tomorrow, Bedu. Tomorrow. Yesterday. What yesterday, Bedu? Yesterday. What is yesterday, Bedu? How do you write it? Right now. I like that. Right now. What is right now in Edo language? Right now. And how do you write it? Huh? Today, tomorrow, yesterday, right now. Egegeo, 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 egegeo. Today, tomorrow, yesterday, right now. Okay, going, okay, okay, going, okay, going, okay, going, okay, woo. Going, okay, going, go. Yeah. Look up. Today, number one. Nah. See? Nah. Today, nah. Number two, tomorrow. Look at it. Akwe. Tomorrow. You see it? Number three, yesterday. Number three, no there. No there. Oh. Number four, this is the one that's most, is very sweet. Number four, okay? Babana. Babana. Only one. I mean, one like only one. Babana. Yeah, I see one here. Babana. Oh, you're not a banana. Babana. Babana. Said I mean, I'll give one more again. Oh, babana. It means baba. Babana. Okay. I bell, we are to do it. Bell. Just jazz, a book. Oh, just jazz. Okay. Went, Mama. Owe na okay ugbe o ma gwa gba na na no na ugbe ma gba si but ugbe no po give akwe akwe ge akwe aki u ori gbo ma gwa labo o ge do aki u akwe won pe ma. No there, no there. Right away. Bam bam na. Oh we babania. Babana. Hey babania. Bambana. Uwe pe ma wa gbe ya o. O ma gbe nsu kaka. Just. Yeah, we don't mo. E don't ma gift. Now, okay. Now today now. Tomorrow, ugbe. Yesterday, no there, ugbe. Right away. Right now. Bambana. Oh, the magi the work be here. Just. Now, ugbe. What I do. Even my water the big na me. Our maybe my. Yeah, we are more here. Now we have a yata here. Wabiwa o na akwe no de babana wawesi wadanu go to no ma be tashe na wa ya no re wabiwa o sabade bawa again wa mu ifon ogie wa mu ya we na nya wa ha so ya awasa igba ogie igba gba de Jesus Christ is wa Maria do. I don't know why be wa don't do bama. I ma e moye ke wa ni sikema ni ameke na ga dead ese. Everywhere do ko yo obuka o somebody ba wa o won pe ma o pra o ma we wa kin o wa gbe de se. Ya fion bo saloba gba yaro. Ya kwe o gi ga un saloba o gi ago saloba. Ami egbe be de Wednesday na de o wa e me o wa segogo wo da o. Egogo da su da ni be na ka ya we get there no nobody ba ma ya fe o no ba wa no ri oba we do wa ito pe we kete ere ga mo wa ga ma o yo pe mo du die o ba ri lo bo e fo o ba to pe ise about top is I had domo or babado or we do or we can share or baba or baba. Went with my well, where we told where so